What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're racing Hot Wheels ID cars. We're gonna find out which is the fastest Hot Wheels ID car down the Peak Time racing track. 2016 Mercedes-AMG GT, Motosaurus, Aston Martin 177, Howlin' Heat, 2014 Corvette C7R, Shark Hammer 2.0, SRT Viper GTS-R, Arachnarod. And here we are for race number 1. We're gonna race 4 of the cars in the first race and then the next 4 in the second race. We've got 2 licensed cars and 2 fantasy cars in each of the rounds. The winner of each race will go on to the finals. Here we go, race number 1. On your mark, get set, go! And it's Arachnarod that takes the win in race number 1. And our next cars are all set for race number 2. Let's see who takes this one and goes on to the finals. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Aston Martin 177 that takes the win and moves on to the finals. And here we are for our final matchup. The Aston Martin 177 versus Arachnarod. We'll do a best of 3 just to make sure we have the right winner here. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! The Aston Martin 177 takes race number 1. We'll switch the lanes up and race them again. Here we go. Can the Aston Martin finish them off? On your mark, get set, go! Arachnarod takes the win in race number 2. Therefore, we're on a deciding race. Who's gonna take this one? Comment down below if you know which car you think is gonna be the winner. All right, let's race them. On your mark, get set, go! And it is Arachnarod that takes the win and is currently the fastest Hot Wheels ID car down the Peak Time racing track. In the comments down below, let me know which is your favorite Hot Wheels ID car.